cooking a chicken cooked with yogurt. It's called Dahi chicken. First of all, we're going to be marinating the chicken and leaving it for a few hours. Right, let's begin. I've got here 700 grams of chicken. Into this I'm going to put half a teaspoon of crushed coriander, quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, and salt. It's about half a teaspoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon, but it's up to you, you know, how much salt you like. That goes in, and I'm going to be adding 3 heaped tablespoons of yogurt. Okay, so we're going to mix all this up thoroughly. Make sure all the spices are mixed evenly as well. And as I said, you know, it's better if you leave it overnight in the fridge, but you know, up to 2 hours, an hour, 2 hours before you cook if you're in a rush and you haven't marinated it the night before. Okay, all done. And now I will put this in the fridge and we'll come back to it. Right, I'm making the base for the curry. This is 1.5 onion, medium onion, which I've chopped up roughly, and I've got here about 16 almonds which I've taken the skin off, so they're in there as well, and I'm going to blitz them both together. Right, I'm going to start making the curry now, the chicken yogurt curry. I'm going to add some oil to the pan. And then I'm going to throw in my whole spices, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, 4 cloves and some black peppercorns. So they go in and they need to fry. Okay, the spices are frying nicely. I'm going to add that onion and almond paste that I made. Try this so the moisture in the onion is dried up. Right, the colour's changed, the onions. I'm going to add the ginger and garlic paste and I'm going to fry this for a few moments. Let this fry nicely. I'm going to be adding the chicken with all the spices. Mix it well with the onions. I'm using chicken on the bone, but for those of you who know me, I prefer to use chicken on the bone. But you can use boneless chicken if you want to, just so that it has a richer flavour when you cook meat on the bone. And I'm so used to doing this, but it's entirely your choice, you know what you prefer. So I've been stir frying this until the oil separates. It's taken about 10 minutes to get to this point on a medium flame with the lid off. Okay, it's nicely stir fried. I'm going to add some green chillies which I've split. And I'm going to be adding about half a glass to a glass of water and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Now I'm going to put the lid on and leave it for about 30 minutes. Chicken is ready. Just going to give it a stir. Can you see that thick sauce? I know there's oil at the top, but you can drain that off if you don't like that oil, if you don't want that oil there. But you do need extra oil when you're cooking this. So I'm going to put some coriander inside it and stir it. This is chicken with yogurt.